Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel, RP Guru Tech Talk. My name is Renu Prasad. Today I'm going to show you a good example of let's say we are presenting something. Let's say I go to finance.yahoo.com and I'm presenting something. There is some sensitive information out here which I don't want to either show it in my presentation or want to kind of hide it when I'm recording the presentation. So in each of the browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, we have an extension. Let's find that. So there is an extension, free extension available called ZeroBlur. So it's an extension. So I open that, add to my Chrome. I add the extension. So now I have my extension. So let's go back to the Yahoo Finance page. Now, let's say I don't want to show these numbers while I'm presenting. So what I do is click on extensions, go to ZeroBlur, right? So let's see. Okay, so I just I opened this page before I installed the extension. So I'm going to reload the page, click on extension, open ZeroBlur. Now the buttons available for me, edit blur. There are different options. You can, there are some set options like blur, element, or, so let's assume you're going to blur some random parts of this page. So I'm going to use this one. I select that and select the area I'm going to blur. So I've blurred that. Now I'm going to blur, let's say, another part of it. I'm going to blur this. 1 second. So I'm going to blur this message. So now I can close this. Now if you see it's blurred, whatever items I blurred, and so I blurred this first part of the page here, I blurred this page. So now when I'm presenting this page to either my audience or recording this page, recording this presentation, you don't see this blurred it could be personal information, it could be sensitive information, it could be something that you don't, which could be copyrighted item. You don't want to have it in your presentation and get people upset about it. So this is one way of making sure that you don't have some of the sensitive information available when you're presenting. So if I want to blur this, I could, once I'm done with my presentation, I can go back to my extension, open ZeroBlur, edit blur, and there is if you see, if you see this dustbin, it says remove all blurs, all blur on the page. So basically it removed wherever I had blurred, it's going to remove all the blurs. So that's it. I feel this is, and this is a free extension available for, and I showed it on Chrome. This is available on Firefox and Microsoft Edge, I believe. You can try it out. Depending on which browser you're going to use, you can install that extension and work with it. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Please subscribe to my channel. Look forward to sharing more fun videos and tech tips. Thanks for watching.